Hi, I'm Tim Gibson. I'm going to talk to you about how to get stains off vinyl siding. Now, in most cases, what you want to use, you can use any kind of standard mild detergent, such as dishwashing liquid. And if you're getting stains off, you can use just a hose and a bucket with a solution. But better yet, a pressure washer system would work much better for you. And one thing that's good to have is just any kind of a standard bleach. Now, if you're using bleach and you're using it out of a bucket and washing it on, then you want to dilute your bleach, 1 part bleach to 4 parts water. If you're using a pressure washer, you can just pour your bleach directly into your reservoir and the system will dilute it on its own. And what you want to do is you want to spray the area that has some stains, and you want to let that sit, the soap and bleach solution. You want to let that sit for a few minutes and use any kind of a come back and scrub on it, and you can use any kind of a mop or any kind of a bristle brush that allow you to scrub onto that, and then just come back and rinse it down. Again, you can rinse it with a standard hose, or better yet, you can rinse it with a pressure washer. Now, if it doesn't immediately take the stain out, you might come back, repeat that process 1 or 2 more times until that stain is eradicated. So I'm Tim Gibson with how to take care of a stain on siding.